Welcome students to class 3 maths. Today I will explain chapter 2 numbers and number names. In previous class you already know the greatest one digit number is 9, the greatest two digit number is 99, the greatest three digit number is 999. When 1 added to 999, what do we get? We get 1000, which is the smallest four digit number, and we called it 1000. What will be greatest four digit number? The greatest four digit number is 9999, and we read as 9999. Now next, place value. Let's understand place value. Every digit in a number has a value according to its place. So let's learn how to denote the place value. In Indian place value chart started from the right hand side. So the first place is ones and we denote it by O. It means one object. Second place is tens, which is denoted by T. It means tens objects or 10 ones. Third place is 100, which is denoted by H. It means 100 objects or 10 tens. Fourth place is 1000, which is denoted by TH. It means 1000 objects or 10 hundreds. Next, form a place value chart. With the help of an example, we have this number 8456. Here, from right hand side, first digit is 6. So, 6 it goes to ones place. Second digit is 5. So, it will goes to tens place. Third digit is 4. So, it goes to 100 place. And last digit is 8. So, it will go to 1000 place. This is form a place value chart from a given number. Next, place value of digit. How will we find out the place value of every digit in 8346 according to the place value chart started from right. So first digit is 6. So place value of 6 is 6 ones or 6. Second digit is 4. So place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. Third digit is 3. So place value of 3 is 300 or 300. Last digit is 8. So place value of 8 is 8000 or 8000. Now let's read the 4-digit number on the abacus. We start with the leftmost digit. The ones place we will write 1 because we have one bit in the one spike. Next spike in tens place have 3 bits, so we will write 3 in tens place. In 100 place we have 7 bits, so we have write 7 in the 100 place. In last spike we have 4 bits, so the digit in the 1000 place is going to be 4. Thus our number form is 4731 and we read as 4731. Next, number names, or you can write in words. How will you write the number name? So I have taken some example. First number is 8620. Firstly, we write down place value of every digit and we know start with the right. So place value of 0 is ones place, place value of 2 is tens place, 6 is at 100 place, 8 is at 1000 place. So how many thousands are given here? 8. So I will write 8000. And how many hundred is given here? 6. So you will write 600. And last digit is 2 and 0. It means 20. So the number name is 8620. Clear? Now I have taken one more example. So firstly write down the place value of every digit from right. So 4 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place, 9 is at 100 place, and last 5 is at 1000 place. Now 5 is at 1000 place, so we are going to write 5000. 9 is at 100 place, so we have to write 900. And lastly 3 and 4 together take. This is 34. So the number name is 5934. and 64. Sorry, 34. Next, number in figure. How will you write number in figure? Let's understand with examples. First is 2560. Firstly, we have write place value and we know that started with right. So, write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. How many thousands given? 2. So, in place of thousands, we will write 2. And how many hundred given? 5. So, in place of hundred, we will write 5. And in tens and ones place, we will write 1 and 6. Thus, number in figure is 2516. Now, I have taken one more example, 5052. So, we will write firstly place value of every digit. Now, see how many thousand is given? 5. So, you will put 5 at thousand place. How many hundred is given? No hundred digit is not there in place of 100. So, we will write 0 at 100 place. And lastly, 52. It means 5 and 2. So, you will put 5 and 2 in place of tens and 1. Thus, number in figure is 5052. Clear? Next comes expanded form. Let's understand it with the help of 4-digit number. Thus, number is 1625. To write the expanded form number, first you need write to place value of every digit, and to find the place value, we will make the place value chart of this number. Let's see, 5 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, 6 is at hundred place, and last one is at thousand place. Now write place value of each digit. So the place value of digit 5 is 5, the place value of digit 2 is 20, the place value of digit 6 is 600, and lastly place value of digit 1 is 1000. Now here we know place value of every digit of this number, so we can write easily the expanded form. Let's write expanded form is 1000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 5. Now next, short form. It is just opposite of expanded form. It is very easy to write that. So how you can do it? First we write the place value, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So let's see, this is 2000. It means you will write 2 at thousand place. Next is 700. It means you will write 7 is at 100 place. After that 50 or 5 tens. So you will write 5 at tens place. And lastly 4 you will put in the ones place. Thus the short form of this expanded form is 2754. It means 2754. So let's see, I have taken one more example. Again write down the place value of every digit from right. So let's see, 9000. It means you will put 9 at the thousand place. Next one is 800. It means you will put 8 is at 100 place. Next is 70 or 7 tens. It means you will put 7 is at tens place. And lastly 0, you will write 0 at ones place. Clear, student? Now next comes successor. What is successor? The number that comes just after a particular number is called its successor. Means find out the next number. To find out the next number, what have to go? We have to add 1. Now let's understand it with the help of example. First number is given 4321. Find its successor. What we can do? We will add 1. So successor of 4321 is 4321 plus 1, and we get 4322. So the successor of 4321 is 4322. Now I have taken one more example. The number is 1569. Then what we can do? We will add 1. So the successor of 1569 is 1569 plus 1 and we get 1570. So the successor of 1569 is 1570. Clear? Now next come predecessor. What is predecessor? The number that comes before a particular number is called its predecessor. Or means you can find out by subtracting 1. Let's understand with the help of example. First number is 476. We have to find out the predecessor of 476. What we can do? Yes, we will subtract 1 from this number. So predecessor of 476 is 476 minus 1 and we get 475. So the predecessor of 476 is 475. Now I have taken one more example. This number is 3506. Then what we can do? Yes, we will subtract 1. So predecessor of 3506 is 3506 minus 1 and we get 3505. So predecessor of 3506 is 3505. Clear? Now next comes formation of smallest and greatest number. We will learn how to form smallest and greatest number. Let's take the digit 3, 8, 5 and 6. To form smallest number using this digit, we arrange them in increasing order. So we arrange digit as 3, 5, 6, 8. Thus the smallest number is 3568. Now to form greatest number using this digit, so we arrange them in decreasing order. So we arrange the digit as 8653. Thus we get greatest number is 8653. Now let's solve one more example. The digit is given 5, 0, 2 and 9. Firstly, to form the smallest number, so we arrange in increasing order as 0, 2, 5, 9. But this is the 3-digit number. So what we can do? Yes, we interchange the position of first 2 digits, that is 0 and 2. So we get smallest number, that is 2059. It means 2059. Now to form greatest number, we arrange it as decreasing order. So we arranging digit as 9520. Thus we get greatest number is 9520. Now next, compare the digit. When we compare the 2-digit number, what we have to do? First, count the number of digits, and second step, compare each digit from the left. Now let's understand with the help of example. First example of these two numbers is 999 and 1025. Then what we can do? Yes, firstly count the digit. Now count the digit. In 999 it has 3 digits. In 1025 it has 4 digits. Now 3 digit is less than 4 digits. So 999 is less than 1025. Now let's see next example. What is given these two numbers? 4000 and 6530. Now firstly you count the both digits. In 4000 it is 4 digits. In 6530 it is also 4 digits. Both are same. Then what we can do? Now you follow the next step. We can compare every digit from the left. So we have compared the first digit. Now see, in 4000 first digit is 4 and in 6530 first digit is 6. So 4 is smaller and 6 is bigger. So 4000 is smaller than 6530. Now let's see one more example. See, these two numbers is 4534 and 4354. Now see, first step you have to follow. Firstly, count the digit. Now first count the digit of 4534. This is 4 digit, and next digit is 4354. This is also 4 digit. Both are same digit. Now then what we can do? Yes, we can compare the every digit from the left. So first number is given in 4534 is 4, and in this number 4354 of the first digit is also 4. So both digits are same. Now next digit you have to compare. Now next digit is given here 5 and here given 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So 4534 is greater than 4354. Clear, students? Dear students, I hope you understand this chapter clearly. Do practice on this chapter at home. Thank you.